All right, here to do check the campsite, Stuart Hollow, Stony Brook. I'm here with Thumbs Up. It's a beautiful day, about 60 degrees on a Tuesday, the Ides of March. So took the day off, gonna give back to the trail and enjoy the weather. Look at that. This is so pretty. I think when I come back, I'm gonna sit here and like have a Zen meditation moment for like 10 minutes. All right, this is a little creek where Field and Stream and I, on our first backpacking trip together, stopped here and filled up our water. So cool. Sunny and about 55 degrees today. Where are you, Mr. Redtail here? That's all right. All right, well, we cleared it, but a multiflora got me. So you can go around it here. You can see the line in the snow. It almost looks like there was a foundation for a building right here. Oh, yeah. See? Yeah. And then the way the edge of the lawn goes like that, there was probably a building right there. I'd have a building right there. Yeah, right? Look at the size of that hornet nest. That is a world full of hurt if you walk into one of those. Woo-wee. All right. That was cool seeing the eagle. I actually have my binoculars with me this time in case I see him again. This is Stony Brook. The group site's up there and the other campsite's up there. We're gonna go check those on the way back. Yeah, so this is where we met the couple with their cat in the stroller. Yeah.
I mean, you know how many thousand people walk under that thing during the summer?
Nope. Whole lot of nope.
Yeah. Nope.
All right, we're at Stuart Hollow. Gonna check the privy and the shelter and the campsites. Hopefully there's no rings to clean up today. This is awesome. Okay, having a granola bar, checking for fire rings to dismantle. I camped in this spot one time. Remind me not to do it in the winter. The reason we don't allow fires is many reasons. That was one, but it's clear. A lot of private land around here, and they've allowed a corridor through their property with the expectation that people won't be potentially setting their backyard on fire. Also, I don't know if you've ever noticed, but when you have a fire ring, you will usually find trash and metal and things that people think will burn in there. And then that attracts critters. It scars the natural understory, all sorts of things. So don't be one of those people that burns the no fires sign in a fire ring, please. And don't put your garbage in the bear box either, because then I have to carry that out, and that's not what it's for.
Oh, there it is, timer. Deer ticks too. You gotta remember to check.
All right, Thumbs Up is going to check the regular sites because he's got a time limitation, got to be back to the car by like 3, so we're splitting up this one because there's 2 sites. So the group site is over here, so I'm gonna go up there and check that. Okay, yeah, we're gonna go up through that little creek. But yeah, the other campsite's over there on the other side. There he is, you can see. Guess I'll move that branch out of the way. Okay, so this is the trail to the privy. Obviously you can step over it, but I'm gonna clear this. Hey, when you gotta go, there's worse views. Yes, yes, empty bear box, thank you. All right, let's roll. All right. I got some new Carhartt pants here. They're convertible, nice pockets. They were much cheaper than some of the ones I've bought for hiking and trail work. They're definitely bulkier, warmer, so I wouldn't wear these like in July. Good for shoulder season. But I needed another pair because I'm in the outdoors working all the time between the two of these jobs. My other job is an outdoor park job too. So anyway, it is beautiful. I am very warm. It's like in mid 60s. Amazing. I wish I had a tent and I was camping tonight. Soon though. Well, I just stepped in someone's dog shit because they didn't push it off the side of the trail. So I'm going to wash my boot off. All right, we're about back at the road. The car's right over there, so even if my shoe gets a little wet, it's no big deal. Please push your dog poop off the side of the trail. Please be a considerate trail user so I don't have to do this again. Although this is a nice spot to zen out for a minute. Thumbs up is on his way, and I'm just going to enjoy this for a minute before I get on my day off vibes. I just need to live in a place like this and not the noisy, busy street, noisy city I live in. Peaceful.